When Peter was in grade 7, his father gave him a guitar as a birthday gift. He was very excited to have received such a masterpiece. Initially, playing the guitar was not an easy task for Peter. But, over time, Peter mastered it and began to play extremely well. The sound and melody coming out from the guitar makes Peter stress-free and motivates him to achieve his dream and goal. Peter is a grown-up young man and a working professional. Whenever Peter is depressed or going through a difficult time in his life, he remembers his childhood days of inspiring himself by playing his same old guitar and motivating himself to rise against all odds. We all should have some source of motivation in any form through which we may drive positive energy and live a joyful life.